Hey everyone, this is Zach with 8020 Automotive, here today with a video on fault code P0303, Symptoms, Causes, and Diagnostics. P0303 indicates cylinder 3 misfire detected. Now, what is a misfire? A misfire simply means that the cylinder failed to properly combust the air-fuel mixture. So ultimately, a misfire is not a specific issue. Rather, it's a symptom of another underlying issue. With that said, let's go ahead and jump straight in and discuss some of the most common symptoms associated with P0303. As with many powertrain issues and engine problems, these specific symptoms can boil down to the severity of the issue. So really, depending on how severe the misfire or misfires are, can indicate different levels of symptoms. But nonetheless, a few of the most common symptoms to be on the lookout for when you experience a cylinder 3 misfire include a check engine light. This either could be a solid check engine light, or when the engine actually misfires, it could flash. A lot of vehicles will flash the check engine light 3-4 times when a misfire is experienced. So that's going to be one of the main symptoms. Outside of that, you may also notice rough idle, stuttering, hesitation, jerking while accelerating, as well as power loss and poor fuel economy. A lot of the times they're going to be fairly minor, especially if you are just having that one single cylinder misfire. Now, in the cases of more severe misfires, that's when these symptoms may become a little more pronounced. With that said, let's go ahead and jump straight in and discuss some of the most common causes of fault code P0303. So the first 4 on this list are really going to be by far the most common causes of a single cylinder misfire. Almost all the time it's going to boil down to issues with the spark plugs, the ignition coil, the fuel injector, or any of the wiring associated with the ignition coils or fueling. Another potential cause is going to be low compression, and the exact cause there could have a number of different things, but again, that's much less common. Moving on to actually diagnosing P0303. For step 1, I always recommend this for any issue you're experiencing with a vehicle. Plug in your OBD2 scanner and confirm and verify any codes that may be present. Additional codes can help you narrow down the issue or potentially eliminate certain things depending on what other fault codes you may have. If you're getting codes like P0301, which is a cylinder 1 misfire, P0302, which is cylinder 2, alongside this fault code, that could point to a deeper issue, and it's likely not going to be a single fuel injector, spark plug, ignition coil, etc. Moving on to the second step, I always recommend starting with the basics. Once you've confirmed P0303 is the only code present, double check all of the basics. So pop the hood, look around the area of that cylinder number 3, make sure there isn't any visible damage to any of the wiring leading to the ignition coil or the fuel injector, and make sure there aren't any other damaged or potentially loose connections. So just do a very brief overcheck to make sure you aren't missing something simple that could just be plugged back in, or something where a wire is split in half and then that points out the exact issue that you're having. Once you've done that, moving on to step 3. For any single cylinder misfire, I always recommend swapping a couple parts around for the easiest diagnostics, and for most vehicles, the ignition coil is going to be the easiest to access and swap. So in the case of the cylinder 3 misfire, if you go ahead and remove that cylinder 3 ignition coil, swap it with any other good cylinder that isn't experiencing a misfire, go back out, drive for a little bit, clear the code, and see if it pops back up. If that has now moved to cylinder number 4, for example, you've isolated that issue and found out that that ignition coil was bad because the misfire followed the ignition coil to the new cylinder. If everything checks out there, then it's usually best to move on to the spark plug, so you can swap that cylinder 3 spark plug into another cylinder. Once again, see if that misfire follows over to the new cylinder. If so, you found your issue. The next step will often be moving a fuel injector to a new cylinder. This can be a little more complex, so it might be easier to just test that fuel injector rather than actually swapping it. If you still don't see any issues and that misfire is still remaining on cylinder 3 and you've confirmed the fuel injector is indeed working, then it's going to be best to go ahead and test all of the electricals and all of the wiring going to that cylinder, specifically again that fuel injector and ignition coil. If everything checks out there, then it could be possible possible that you have low compression or some issue related to that. And the way to confirm that would be doing a compression test or a leak down test to see how that cylinder is holding up. And again, that could expose a number of different issues, potentially something like valve seal issues or a bent valve, anything that could cause low compression in that specific cylinder. But again, a lot of the times this is going to boil down to a spark plug or ignition coil, and occasionally the fuel injector or any wiring. Starting with that and swapping things around will be the easiest way to diagnose and confirm any issues causing P0303. Anyway, guys, that wraps up our video for today. If you appreciated the content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in the future. Thanks, everyone.